Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling you guys how to make your video come from this to this. So pay attention while I teach you. So before I continue, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then before you do this, I need to give you these few tips before you can be able to do this. Please, while recording your video, ensure you have direct light. Okay, like me now, I'm recording this video staying close to my window. I have natural light. If you don't have natural light, or probably when you want to record your video it's actually late, you can use your ring light quite all right. Okay, so what I just want to let you know is you need at least a little bit of reflection of light. It's going to help in your video. So I'm done with the talking. Let's dive to the video. There's someone like me that loves shortcuts. Nobody like to go through the long way. If you're someone like me that loves shortcut, there's two ways I'm going to teach you in this video how to make your background blurry. There are two ways. Okay, I'm going to teach you one with Capcut and I'm going to teach you one with Snapchat. Okay, I think I'm going to teach you three: with Capcut, with TikTok, and also with Snapchat, whichever one. But if you are making long video, well, just whichever one that worked for you. So I'm going to teach you how to make your video with blurry with Snapchat. Just to our Capcut app, okay, and you go to new project, and then this is what I want to my YouTube channel work on. Okay. So while you've selected your video, let's go down here. Make sure you remove this Capcut here and then you delete. So let's go back to the first part of the video. So what you need to do is go to effect, go to video effect. Now your internet needs to be on. Okay, Capcut work with internet. So over here you might find it hard looking for the effect that is needed, but you can just come here and search for blur. Okay, search for blur. It's going to load. Now you can see that there are different blur effects. So if you're a content creator, you might pick the one you want. So on this video I'm using this one. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So once you pick it, you drag it, drag it to the end of the video. Now this is how it looks like. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is how our video looks like, and it is not complete yet. The next thing we're going to do is you're going to come here, come to overlay, add, and then make sure you pick that same video, the same video you picked before. So this is it here. This is the same video we picked, and you can see it's the same length. Yeah, so this is it, and then you're going to make sure this video fit on the same screen, like the same size. Hi guys, welcome. Can you see the way it is now? Now you cannot see the other one. It is actually overlay. The next thing is you tap on this second video you added and you go to remove background and you do auto removal. Then you are going to wait. Okay, don't do anything. It's going to be loading. Like I said, you need data to actually run this. Okay, so let's wait. While you are waiting, you notice that it begins to blend naturally and by itself. Make sure it finishes. Don't do anything, just ensure you wait. So while we are waiting for our background to fully load, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please use the opportunity to subscribe. And if you have any question regarding this particular video, how to remove how to make your background to be blur on Snapchat, on TikTok, and also on Capcut, if you have any question, you can let me know. Okay, just comment and I will definitely give you a feedback. And if it required me to do another more explanatory video, I will do that for you. Okay, thank you so much guys, and don't forget to share this video to someone that might actually need it. Spread the good news. it is actually taking time, so let's wait. I'm supposed to actually crop this part away, but I need you guys to understand that you have to wait. Like, it takes time. It's still loading. If your internet is actually fast, it will load faster than this. So I don't know what's wrong with mine today. Mine is actually slow. So wait. So you're waiting. We've gone halfway. Let's see. So it is almost complete. Yeah, so good. Background removed. So let's
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel
and
so
see
today
how
I'll be
it
telling you
looks
guys
like
how to
right
make
now.
a video. Come from
And
this to this.
can you see the way the background has removed? And we can also come here and adjust the blur. Like, if you don't want it to be too much, see, if you want to reduce it, this is how you can do this. Just come here.
Hi guys, welcome to my
I think
YouTube
this is
channel.
fine.
So
it is not too
I'll
much.
be telling you guys how to make it.
And our background is blur, or I think I should just make it.
Hi
like
guys,
this.
welcome
This
to
is
my
fine.
YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling
This
you
is
guys
fine.
how
So if you want to blur your background, if you want to blur your video from Capcut, if you want to blur the background of your video from Capcut, this is how you should do it. If, like, let me repeat the process I did before. You come to effect, already you have blur here, you tap on it, come to adjust, you can increase. You know, before it was like this, but I feel this is too much. But for some people, you can decide to leave it like this, okay? But I think,
Hi guys, welcome to my
I think
YouTube
like this
channel.
is okay. Or 24 is not too much.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling you guys how to
be able to learn how to
come from this,
how to make your background blur. Okay,
so
thank you. So when you are done, the next thing to do is to export. So directly it's going to save to your gallery. Okay, c'est fini. So I hope this video was really helpful to you, and if you really like this video, I want to do a test to know the people that always watch my video from the beginning to the end. So if you watch to this point, just comment thank you. Yeah, just comment thank you. I just want to know if people really watch my video from the beginning to the end. And please in commenting, you actually help me by encouraging me to do more tutorials like this. Okay, see you in my next video.
What to do is run